Which at-home laser hair removal device is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, INNZA IPL hair removal. First up is the INNZA IPL hair removal device. Priced at just $79.99, this one caught my attention because it's been labeled a bestseller with over 20,000 units sold in just the past month. If you want smooth skin without the costly salon visits, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The INNZA uses intense pulsed light (IPL) technology at a powerful 5J/cm2 and a 600 nm wavelength to effectively zap unwanted hairs at their roots. This means you can see up to a 95.08% hair growth reduction in just 3 weeks with the right treatment schedule. Huge win for comfort, as it minimizes redness and swelling during use. Now, some people complained about it needing to be plugged in during use, which can be a hassle if you want to move around while using it. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a budget-friendly and effective option, this is minor compared to the results you can achieve. This is perfect for you if you're just starting with at-home hair removal and want something effective without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you prefer a cordless device or have darker skin tones, as it's not suitable for everyone. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a nearly painless experience. Product number 2, Ulike Air 10 IPL. Next up is the Ulike Air 10 IPL hair removal device, retailing at $244. I was intrigued by the nearly painless promise and dual light technology that sets it apart. If you're after a more comfortable experience, this one is definitely worth a look. This device features a sapphire ice cooling technology that keeps the treatment area cool during use, making it feel less intense. It promises visible results in just 2 weeks, with up to 96.52% hair reduction. With 2 light types, it covers a wider area and speeds up the process, allowing you to treat your whole body in about 10 minutes. Plus, the skin sensor technology helps keep your skin safe by adjusting the power based on your skin tone. However, some users mention that it can be a bit heavy for prolonged use. But honestly, if you're looking for effective results and comfort, this is a minor trade-off. This is perfect for you if you want quick, effective hair removal with minimal discomfort. Skip this if you're on a super tight budget, as it is pricier than other options. But for the quality, it offers good value. Now, if the Ulike's price was a concern for you, the next product offers a more budget-friendly solution without sacrificing results. Product number 3, Bronze Silk Expert Pro 5. The Bronze Silk Expert Pro 5 is next on our list, priced at $399.99. This one has a lot of buzz because of its clinical effectiveness and sleek design. If you're serious about hair removal and want a professional-grade device at home, keep listening. It's also designed for fast, full-body treatments in just 10 minutes, which is a huge plus. What I found impressive is the SensorAdapt skin tone sensor that adjusts the device's power settings to suit your skin, ensuring safety and efficacy. That said, the high price tag has raised concerns for some users who feel it might not be worth the investment. But I'll be real with you, if you're looking for long-term savings from salon visits, this device pays for itself in no time. This is perfect for you if you want a high-quality, effective hair removal solution and don't mind spending a bit more for it. Skip this if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option. It's an investment, but worth considering for serious users. Alright, if the bronze cost felt steep, the next contender balances quality and affordability beautifully. Product number 4, Bronze Skin iExpert Smart IPL. Now we have the Bronze Skin iExpert Smart IPL, also priced at $399.99. This device stands out with its smart features and real-time coverage tracker. If you want precision in your hair removal, stick around. The iExpert promises permanent hair reduction with up to 95% results in just a month, similar to the Pro 5. Plus, it includes multiple heads to customize your treatment based on the area. The skin tone sensor is an added bonus, making it safe for various skin tones. However, the complexity of the app features can be overwhelming for some users who just want a straightforward device. But in my opinion, if you appreciate tech and want to optimize your treatment, this is a great buy. This is perfect for you if you love tech and want precise, customized treatments at home. Skip this if you prefer simplicity over smart features. For what it offers, the price is reasonable for a smart device. Last but not least, let's talk about a model that's a bit more budget-friendly while still packing a punch. Product number 5, Ulike Air 10 IPL. Wrapping up is another Ulike model, the Air 10 IPL, with a price tag of $244. I was impressed with the features this device offers, especially for those looking for a high-quality experience without going overboard on price. If you're looking for something effective but more accessible, listen up. It also tracks your skin tone to ensure safety while providing fast results, showing up to 96.52% reduction in just weeks. You can cover your whole body in about 10 minutes, making it super efficient. On the downside, some users mentioned the device might not work as effectively on very dark skin tones. But honestly, if you're within the recommended skin types, this device can save you a ton of hassle. This is perfect for you if you're seeking an effective and gentle hair removal solution without the hefty price tag. Skip this if you have darker skin tones, as it may not be suitable. Overall, it offers excellent value for money with its features. So there you have it, the top 5 at-home laser hair removal devices. The unwanted is great for budget-conscious users. Ulike's models focus on comfort, while Braun offers professional-grade options. Each device has its strengths, so it really comes down to what fits your needs best. Happy hair removal.